Welcome. This tutorial will use cryptodb.org to explain how to manage invalid saved searches and IDs between releases. EuPathDB updates the databases about every 2 months. With each new release, annotations and data may be added or changed. In most cases, saved search strategies are not affected by a new release. However, some saved strategies that depend on old parameters or IDs will not return the same results on the new release. These strategies need to be rerun against the current version of the database. Let's look at an example. The red no sign indicates that the strategy is invalid. Running the search against the new database version will fix the strategy. Open the strategy to see what steps need to be revised. A red X appears across any step that needs revision. Click on the step that you want to revise. Choose Revise in the pop-up to open the Revise Step window. Then check that the parameter values are correct and click Run Step. The red X disappears when the step is fixed. Once you have revised all invalid steps, you can save the strategy. The saved strategy no longer contains invalid steps. Data changes that occur with new releases may also invalidate IDs in your basket or My Favorites page. Let's go to the basket. Basket contents are automatically updated during the new release. Gene IDs that have changed are mapped to the new ID, and old IDs are removed. You do not need to revise anything in the basket. The basket is intended as temporary storage of IDs so that a copy of the basket can be combined with previous results. Since IDs in the basket are automatically updated at the time of a release, saved strategies that incorporate a copy of the basket will not appear invalid. The results may, however, show different IDs or fewer IDs if they are remapped or removed during the new release. A saved search with a Genes by ID step is treated in the same manner. IDs that have changed are mapped to the current IDs. IDs that no longer exist are removed and the search returns fewer records. Let's look at the IDs in the Favorites page. Since the Favorites page is permanent storage, invalid IDs are not removed during the new release. IDs that change with the new release are mapped to the new record page. The old ID appears in the Favorites page list, but clicking the ID opens the updated record page. IDs in the Favorites page that no longer exist in the database link to an error message, such as the gene CGD3-3850 no longer exists. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please contact us with any questions or suggestions.